beautiful student she is with me today. Are you ready to demo down facing dog?
I am.
Oh, good. So let's do this, friends. Come here.
Again, here at Vital Living Yoga with Megan is all about creating a strong body and a strong mind. Before you hop on the mat, like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos just like this.
Yourself into your tabletop. Align your shoulders and your wrists, and then align your hips and your knees. Now, press your inner arms towards the front of the room, towards me. There you go, pressing the floor away. And now, bring your attention to your your middle finger. Bring your attention to your middle finger. Find them into a kind of L shape. There you go, girl. Yes, L shape on the middle finger. Now, engaging your core, push the floor away. Round up your back, Gina. There you go. This is the foundation to enter into downward facing dog. Tuck your toes under, lift your knees, and lift your hips into downward facing dog. Look into your feet, and Gina needs to have a little bit more of a wider stance on her feet, so her hamstrings has a chance to lengthen. So it's face out, Gina, your feet, away from each other, no, to the opposite side. Yeah, there you go, from the other side of the mat. So Gina now has her feet a little bit wider. Gina, may I touch your back? I'm going to push her back towards her hips, so she can get more of a release on her wrists. Say yes, say no, Gina. So now she is more into her downward facing dog. Please, Gina, bring your knees down. Come to tell me, how was it for you? Look at the camera. How was it for you, Gina?
A lot better.
What do you mean by a lot better? What were you feeling in your body that felt right?
My hands didn't hurt when I touched the mat. And you had to tuck your core in to get a lot stronger.
Gina is saying something really important, friends. As you look at your hand, you will see there is a natural coverage of your hand here, right? And we don't want to smash that coverage of our hands, because this will damage the natural anatomy of the hand. So what do you do? What did you do, Gina?
You basically almost had to like claw the mat
Right.
and turn your wrists.
Yes, you got this, girl. Yes, follow Gina's suggestion to protect your hands. This is a very important aspect of downward facing dog. You may end up with an injury on your hands if you don't pay attention on how you are holding the mat. Thank you, Gina.
Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow on the mat.